In this video, I'm going to show you how to demo trade on NinjaTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to NinjaTrader.com and you want to open an account or log in if you have one already. So it's going to be very easy. You can use either Google, Apple, or your email for this. And after you do that, after you get the access to your account, let me actually sign in with Google really quickly over here. You'll be able to access your dashboard like that, and down here at the bottom left it says download their award-winning desktop platform. So just click on the download button, and then here again it's going to show you the most recent release. Just download that and install it to your computer by clicking on the downloaded file. It's going to be actually very simple. Just follow the steps and it's going to install onto your computer. After you've done that, here you're going to be able to access their kind of platform over here, so their program, and then in here you can go ahead and start demo trading. So you have to open up this kind of basic menu, which is kind of the accounts menu, and this one should be opened up by default. And after that, in here you can just right click on add simulation account, which is basically a demo account. You can just name it, for example, simulator demo tutorial. It's what I'm gonna do. And then here you can select what you want to use, which currency, the commissions, and then the forex lot sizes, initial cash, etc. So that's up to you. And then you want to press the OK button and your account is gonna get created, as you can see. Now after that, it's going to of course say simulated next to it. You have to connect to up here, so click up here and then click on simulated data feed, and it's going to basically connect you to their simulated data feed. And in here you can go ahead and practice demo trading. Okay, so you can just open up the chart, and on that chart you can open up this sidebar over here, which is the chart trader. You can go ahead and buy and sell over here, or you can go to new basic entry, you can buy and sell over here as well, etc. So that's how you demo trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.